What's up, guys? So we are just at Adam 19 right now. We're just buying all the snacks and drinks before we head off, you know, very important. So it looks like we're just getting lots of things, and then yeah, we're just splitting all the costs together, yeah. So let's go for some shopping. What have you been counting?
Started 7:08.
And then when do you finish?
And I finished like 3:10 p.m. And I've done almost more than 100 plus calls.
100 plus calls just to arrange this trip. 100 plus calls. That's what you call dedication. Yeah. Mahsan.
Merci.
Merci. Parle français? By the way, if you guys want to know, we are off to SAYLAC. So it's about like 13-hour drive away with a Land Cruiser, but it's really bumpy ride. There's already like 3 girls in the back, 4 guys in the middle, and a driver, and then the Coast Guard in the front seat. So it's packed already. So this is the first time I've ever gone this many people. But let's see. It's part of the adventure. Let's go try it. Let's see how it is.
It sound right, boy.
Alright, I'm gonna try it as well. It's like a mixture of popcorn, because it's hard, and sweet corn. It's like Somali Hasid.
Yeah, this is Hasid.
Okay. Hot though.
It sound right, boy.
What's up, guys? So you probably noticed when I went to the mosque that I actually took off my shoes. Of course, when you go pray, you have to take your shoes off. But then I put my shoes in 2 different like cubbies, because your shoes are gonna get nicked here, right? So if you love your shoes, don't leave your shoes out like in the middle, and don't put them together. Like I remember when I was a kid, so many times on Eid especially, I lost my best shoes. So I learned from that. Just if they're just slippers, that's normal. You can leave them, it's fine. But if they're like really nice shoes, I would recommend separating them. That's a KO tip right now. So let me introduce you to one of the travelers with us.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
My name is Abdullah. I live in hargeisa. I'm part of this squad traveling to SAYLAC, to I would say Ibad, that's called Ibad. And I'm a 6-year medical student at the University of Hargeisa. At the same time, I'm a social health activist, health advocate. Yeah, health for all advocates.
Okay, nice,
Yeah,
health. Okay,
yeah.
we need to be talking about health in Somaliland. You know?
Yeah,
I like that, you see.
We went to Puro, then we went to Kafo, and last week we have done it in Berbera. So training 452 students from now. But
Universities or what age?
secondary level.
Secondary.
It's called first aid student training camping. So it's fast camping. So it's always for secondary students. So we have reached those students from Kafo, 116 students from Berbera and Sheikh regions, from Kabile, We are expecting to reach Las Anod and Purana as well, like a nationwide campaign. Yeah, nationwide campaign.
Nice. So if you had to say like percentage-wise, out of the whole of Somaliland, how much percent have you done?
We are up to 52%. Because
You did a lot of places then.
Yeah, our target was 800. Then and now we have done 452 students.
Mashallah.
So it's a bit more than the half mark. Yeah.
Oh, good.
It's 52%. I something is somewhere in there.
Anyone you said, anywhere.
What's up guys? So yeah, I've got to stand right under this tree for some light because as you guys can see there's no light anywhere near here, but we've currently just stopped to grab some dinner. Yeah, so I made actually my own food, so I'm gonna have that, but yeah, we're not gonna eat for another 7 hours. The road was actually not too bad. I slept, so for me to sleep it must have been kind of smooth, but it's just kind of like a normal off-road kind of drive. It's nothing too crazy. I think I had a really bad expectations, so that's why it wasn't as bad as that. So maybe I should tell you guys it was so bad. Oh my god, it was actually nasty, so you guys actually think it's actually alright, but no, it's pretty decent. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat some food and then I think we're gonna rush off. We've just stopped somewhere in the middle of nowhere, but yeah, let's do it. So yeah, we are just taking a break right now, but I had high hopes of like trying to come here by myself or take an adventure, but the route is madness. The route's not madness just because of the rough terrains. The route's madness, like I don't even know half the time where it's going. Like 95% it's not even a proper road, so you don't know where you're going. But anyway, we're gonna go back to the car with just a quick break. Yeah, slept most of the way, so I'm just gonna try. I really wish it was during the day, but unfortunately it's not. But hopefully, I think on the way back, we're coming back on Friday, it should be during the day. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it.
Hello, what's up, man?
How's it going? How's the ride so far?
Everything is good. It's happening good. At the time, it's like 10:10. Of course, still 2 hours to go to LUGHAYA, and again we will stop at LUGHAYA inshallah.
Inshallah, alright, let's go. Everyone's just
Everyone,
there
let's
chatting.
go.
2 hours later.
What's up guys? So we are currently at our official first stop, but it's only a short stop at LUGHAYA, I think that's right. Anyway, some small village, so we've just pulled over to give well, I haven't, so I'm basically obviously with a bunch of doctors, like so we've come stop to give a free checkup. So yeah, I've gone from vlogging to documentary right now, so come along on the documentary of free health checkup, the Somaliland youth ambassadors. That's what we are right now. You know, we're doing it for Somaliland and for the people. Of course, I'm doing it in a different way than they are, but still, you know, we're working together. It's all about collaboration and working together, you know. We need to see more of that. People are checking the cars. You'll be able to see, I'll show you where they sleep. Like literally we came and they were dotted everywhere like army men, like just sleeping around, just outside, no tent, no nothing. That's what you call camping. But yeah, rough. So yeah, we were sat in the back. I sat in the back actually for at least 2 hours. Rough. Trust me guys, back seat is not fun. Just know that. realize it, but we're by. I see this fishing boat, and then I was like, okay, what's here? We're by the sea, mate. Oh nearly went sliding there, you know. God. But yeah, we're by the sea. I don't go any closer. But it's mad. I didn't know that. Wow.
My name is Dr. Hassan Ali Daoud, and I'm the team coordinator here. Today, the time is like 12 a.m. and we are at LUGHAYA Center. We are doing a free healthcare service for the Coast Guard. And so we have seen like 20 patients, and these 20 patients, we have done them for a good screening. We referred, one of them was a severe case with, tender hepatomegaly and needed, hospital care. And yeah, so things are happening so good, and we are currently going directly to SAYLAC to see like another, the main part of our job. And we will be seeing like 80 or 100 Coast Guards again for free healthcare service. And our number was 70 number, and we have got our medicines. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, lovely. Let's go.